Okay, here's a quick video on installing the flight control straps in 6.9 Foxtrot. I just kind of got it displayed out here. It's like a letter Y, upside down really, letter Y. A loop here, and in the middle, a sewn loop. It's not adjustable. Okay, so the way this is going to work is you take this sewn loop that's not adjustable and you stick that around the parking brake handle. Now, on one branch of that Y, on that big loop, you stick that through the inboard part of the yoke on the pilot side. On the other end, you stick through over the inboard of the yoke of the co-pilot side or whatever. Now, it's going to look like this. To tension it up, you simply take the loose end and you pull it tight. Do the same thing for the other side. Now, you're going to have to push the flight controls forward to get all that slack out of there. There. Now, the flight controls are immobilized. You can't go anywhere. You're going to have that big loose end still dangling down there. Both sides. Okay? To get it off, to remove it, it's pretty simple. You're just going to take this remove before flight tag on each side and pull it forward. You'll see that it'll release the buckle and it'll allow you to get some slack in the loop there. It's a lot easier to do when you have two hands. I'm just kind of doing it with one hand here. Then you can just remove these from around the flight controls once you have enough slack in them, or I've made it so that it's easy to put them on and off without getting too much slack by the use of these buckles. I'm going to try to do this single-handedly, but this buckle will fit through the little loop that captivates it. Okay, there we go. So you can see this buckle has a little notch cut in it, or slot cut in it, that makes it easy to put them on and off the flight controls, just like that. Okay, so there it is. That's all done with my one hand. It's easy when you have two hands. That's how that works.